I'm Charlie Martinez with Mesa State College. On March 10th, 9 Mass Comm students along with 2 professors were able to travel to Denver for the Newsmakers Luncheon, which is sponsored annually by Rocky Mountain PBS. This year was the 5th annual Newsmakers Luncheon. It started 5 years ago when Rocky Mountain PBS was celebrating their 50th anniversary. A year after that, they started the Be More Award. The Be More Award consists of an award given to a community member involved in either education, health, science, business, even journalism, that has made an incredible impact on their community. This year's Be More Award recipient went to Susan Birch. Besides her work in Kampala, Uganda, working with the women and children on the streets, she has been instrumental in ensuring a more inclusive and pragmatic healthcare system for Colorado. Currently, she's the executive director of the Colorado Department of Healthcare Policy and Financing. She has also spearheaded an incredible program for the elderly with healthcare called the Aging Well program, which provides elderly community members with health screening, fitness classes, and ways to get out and about. After the presentation of the 4th annual Be More Award, and after a very fancy luncheon provided by the Brown Palace Hotel, we moved on to the keynote speaker, Hari Srinivasan of PBS NewsHour. Before moving to PBS's NewsHour in 2009, Hari Srinivasan worked as a reporter for the CBS Evening News as well as The Early Show. He also has a very great extensive background in journalism. Once at PBS's NewsHour, he was very instrumental in bridging the gap between online digital media and that of PBS's NewsHour that's broadcast every night. At the luncheon, Hari Srinivasan was able to explain a lot of the technological advances that he has managed to use and incorporate into the PBS NewsHour. He said that about 80% of what he does is all online, while only about 20% of his job at PBS is ever showed on air. Hari has also been very instrumental using digital media to further the effects and the reach of PBS NewsHour and all the information that they provide. PBS NewsHour is online on Facebook and Twitter, as well as they have new apps for iPhones and iPads. So you can follow PBS NewsHour anywhere at any time. He said that no longer is news a destination where you have to go somewhere to look at your news. He said that instead, news is tending to find people through Facebook likes or through their iPod or through the people that they follow on Twitter. After the luncheon was over, Mesa State College Mass Comm students, as well as several high schools from around the Denver area, were able to meet with Hari Srinivasan afterwards for a press conference. Students from Denver Public Schools, as well as the Mesa State students, were able to ask Hari different questions based on where the future of media is going and what changes he thinks will be important for students to learn that want to go into journalism later in their life. The 9 Mesa State students that went to the Newsmakers Luncheon had an incredible time, ate a very fancy meal catered by the Brown Palace Hotel, and were able to learn about Hari Srinivasan and where the future of media is going. It was an incredible trip, and we would like to thank the Daily Sentinel as well as Mesa State College for sponsoring our table. Thank you.